you happy?
Yes.
Wow, what will you say to mommy?
Open.
And what will you say?
Open to
Thank you. Say thank you to mommy. Ay, babawiin yan. What will you say?
Hey, Jill.
Yeah, welcome.
Number 3.
Uy, may number 3. Can I see? Wow, yan. Wow. Ayan siya, guys, oh. Ang mura lang niya dito, guys, sa TikTok. Ayan, oh, pwede silang bumuo ng castle-castle. So, gagana yung kung ano nila, no? Creative thinking. Ayan, may mga iba-ibang shapes. Diba? What shape is this?
Triangle.
Very good, ah. And this one?
Square.
Ah, ang nakita niya kasi ito. Ito yung square. Yung pahaba, this one. Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Yan, very good. We will build a tower. And this is the car, oh. Wow, my car. Ito pa, another car. Yan. Ang dami niya na rin, guys. The tower. Ayan, oh. Halimbawa, ito, house. Oh. Yan, oh. Isa po sa mga pinabili ng teacher niya. Yan, nag-aaba therapy pa rin kasi siya ngayon. So, andyan lang yan, guys, sa basket natin, no. Kung gusto nyo rin para sa kasing benefits yung mga ganitong toys, eh. Iisip siya kung paano niya i-build. Lulusot sa tower yung car. Whoops! Ayan, busy na siya. May magwo-work na ako, guys. So, may pagkakaabalahan na siya dyan.